Hey creators, today I will be making this elegant wall scone. If you want to know how I did that, then stay tuned. I'm adding E6000 followed by hot glue to the candle pillar. And I'm going to attach the pillar to the vase and wipe off any excess glue. And then I'm going to repeat the steps with the other vase. Okay, now that the hot glue has had time to dry, I'm going to repeat the steps and attach the vase to the candle pillar. Now I'm going to place these to the side and let them dry. I took a sheet of rhinestone wrap and I cut it into 4 pieces. I am going to be wrapping the sticker around the bottoms of the vases. Right here you see me just cutting off the excess sticker. If you guys haven't yet, please hit the like and subscribe button. It helps grow my channel and it shows me that you appreciate my videos and I appreciate your support. I'm just doing the same thing to the other vase. Alright, so now I'm taking some wire and I'm just gonna be wrapping it around the pillar. And then once it's wrapped, I'm gonna create a loop for it to hang on the wall. And this is the finished look, guys. It came out so gorgeous and it wasn't that hard to make. I'm very happy with the way that it turned out. What do you guys think? Let me know. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. And until next time, bye.